So hello everyone, welcome back to another video tutorial. Today in this video, I will explore how to effectively use routers and filters within make.com. These powerful features allow you to automate and intelligently organize tasks based on specific condition. And to illustrate this clearly, I will build a practical workflow right in front of you, and we will automate the process of sorting email attachments each email into distinct Google Drive folder according to the email subject content. For example, email containing the word Python in their subject line will have their attachment saved in the Python folder. And similarly, email mentioning SQL in the subject will have attachments saved in the SQL folder. So, this practical use cases help professionals, educators, and students efficiently manage their emails and attachments. So, let's get started. So right now I am on the make.com dashboards. So to start, I click on the create new scenario button visible on the screen. After creating the new scenario, I rename it to clearly as email sorting and PDF filtering to keep things well organized. Renaming scenario clearly is essential when you have multiple automations running, as it helps identify them quickly. The first module I add is the Gmail module. To do this, I click on the plus button. I click on the plus button, type Gmail in the search bar, and select Watch Email module. After selecting it, a configuration window appears. Here, I select my previously connected Gmail account under the connections. Then, under the folder setting, I choose Inbox as I want to monitor incoming emails. Next, I select Gmail filter under filter types, and the query here I type after colon 25th February 2025. So this ensures my automations only consider emails received after the specified date, keeping the workflow organized and relevant. After configuring these settings, now I click on the save button. Since email may include multiple attachments, handling each attachments individually is crucial. So to achieve this, I add an iterator module. I click on the plus button again and search for iterators. After selecting it, configuration window appears labeled flow controls. Here I select attachments. This choice ensures every attachment is processed individually rather than the group together. So which is important for precise sorting and storage. Next, add the router module. By clicking on the plus button again, once added, the router module creates two distinct paths for my workflow. Each path will have a unique condition to determine how attachments and sorted in different folder. First, I click on the setup filter options of the first route. In the label field, I clearly type Python emails to identify the route purpose. Now I set the condition by selecting subject as the field to monitor. and the operator also contains. Then enter the keyword Python. This condition clearly instructs the workflow to process only emails whose subject contain the keyword Python. If it is true, then this module will execute. After setting this, I click on Save button. Now I need to specify where these attachments should be stored. So I click on the plus button, search for Google Drive, select Upload Files, and then select my previous connected Google Drive account. Next, I choose Select from the list, navigate to My Drive, and finally select the Python folder. This completes the configuration for Python related attachments. Now I configure the second route for email containing SQL. I click on the set of filters on the second route, labeling it as SQL emails. Then I set the condition clearly by setting a subject, choosing the content operator, and entering SQL. Saving these settings, I proceed to specify the storage location for these attachments. Now I again click on the plus button, select Google Drive, and choose Upload Files. Using my connected Google Drive account, select My Drive and then choose the SQL folder. So this ensures that attachments from email with SQL in their subject are directly uploaded to this specific folder. To demonstrate the workflow, I move to my Gmail inbox and compose a new email address to myself. In the subject line, I type Python assignment, and attach PDF file Python assignments. After sending the email, I go back to make.com and click on Run Once. You can clearly observe on screen how the workflow runs successfully and the attachment is uploaded correctly to the Python folder. Now let's check. Here you can see the PDF file is uploaded on this location. Next, I test the scenario again for SQL. I compose another email, so this time with the subject SQL assignment. Attach a PDF and send it. Once I send, I click on the Run Once again in make.com. So here, as you observe on the screen, the workflow runs smoothly and the attachment uploads the SQL folder as intended. Here you can see the SQL assignment PDF file is uploaded on this location. So that's it for today. In today's tutorial, we have thoroughly learned how to effectively use routers and the filters in Make.com. So to automatically sort email attachments based on the subject keywords. So this automation will significantly streamline file management, saving time and effort. If you have any questions or suggestions, please share them in the comment below. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.